The old code book? Yeah, I'd say the old code book was off by like 100,000. Let's get into this CODMAS case. So today's case is actually a one that's not too bad. It's a percutaneous liver biopsy. Patient had 2% lidocaine from their anesthesia. Allergies, patient denied any allergy to iodine, lidocaine, or codeine. Procedure in detail. Procedure was described in detail to the patient in a previous clinic visit and by the medical staff today. Patient was told of complications which might occur consisting of bleeding, bioperitonitis, bowel perforation, pneumothorax, or death. The risks and benefits of the procedure were understood and the patient signed the consent form freely. With the patient lying in the supine position and the right hand underneath the head, an area of maximal dullness was identified in the mid-axillary location by percussion. The area was prepped and cleared with povidone iodine, following which the skin, subcutaneous tissue, and serosal surfaces were infiltrated with 2% lidocaine down to the capsule of the liver. Next, a small incision was made with a Bard Parker No. 11 scalpel. A 16-gauge modified Klatskin needle was inserted through the incision and into the liver on one occasion with the patient in deep expiration. Liver cores measuring 2 centimeters were obtained and will be sent to pathology for routine histological study. Post-procedure course and disposition. Patient will remain under close observation in the medical treatment room for 4 to 6 hours and then discharged home with medications. Normal activities can be resumed tomorrow. Patient is to contact me if they have any severe abdominal pain, chest pain, fever, melena, lightheadedness, or any unusual symptoms develop. An appointment will be made for the patient to see me in the clinic in the next few weeks to discuss results of the liver biopsy so that management decisions can be made. Complications none. Recommendations prior to discharge. Hep A and B vaccines will be recommended. Risks and benefits for vaccination have been addressed with the patient and they will consider this option. And then I added this in here, a pathology diagnosis. So we have a diagnosis to go by. It came back that the patient has primary biliary cirrhosis stage 1. So when we're starting with this, we're going to look in our surgery section. And do you remember where in the surgery section, and I kind of got a clue over here, but where in the surgery section is our liver? So liver is part of the digestive section of CPT. So if we go in here and we look for our liver, it's over here. So what are we doing in here? Are we excising? Are we incising? Are we doing a repair? We're not transplanting it. We are actually doing an incision. We did an incision into the liver to take that biopsy. So that's the range we want to be in. And right here we are, biopsy of liver needle percutaneous. Now, it doesn't look like we did this one when done for indicated purpose at time of another major procedure. Nope. And it doesn't look like we've got any other kind of biopsy codes that would even be considerable. Nope. We didn't do a wedge biopsy, that's for sure. And then these are taking out lobes of the liver. So it was definitely this code, the 47000. And of course, we need our ICD-10-CM code. So here we are with cirrhosis, and we're at cirrhosis biliary. And let's see, we got here a default K74.5, and then we have due to and primary secondary. What did this say again? Primary biliary cirrhosis, so that's what we want. I don't see anything about the stage, but I do see the primary, K74.3. Let's check that out. K74.3. All right, primary biliary cirrhosis. I'm not seeing anything about stages here for this, and it doesn't look like we need any additional character extensions. There's no includes or excludes. Well, there's this excludes primary sclerosing cholangitis, but we don't have that. So it looks like it's just our primary biliary cirrhosis, and that's it. So we're good. So our CPT code is 47000, and our ICD-10 code is K74.3, and that's our case for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to get alerts when I post just more of this type of shenanigans. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, you guys, just keep on coding on.